Hi my color bears, I am back with another video. This time, this is a recent video. I'm recording on a Friday evening. Uh, Hopefully you will see this early Saturday morning. I hope you guys are doing well. I have KFC. This is an 8-piece. 8-piece, 2 sides. I got mashed potatoes with gravy and one without. This is the gravy. And I don't know how many biscuits. Okay, come on now. Don't trip with me. Okay, yes. I wanted to ask for just legs and thighs. For some reason, I don't like their breasts. But, okay, this is a mixed box. And I rinsed everything down with antibacterial soap. So, everything is good. Everything is good. Everything is good. And it's my mom calling. So, how do I stop this? But anyway, it's all good. I'll call her back later. So, I have mashed potatoes with, okay, they gave me 2. You get 2 large sides. They gave me 2. I did add my own butter to one, which is here, and they gave me some gravy. I got like a lot of honey packs. Believe me, I wash these down in antibacterial soap. You don't know me. Ooh, so biscuits. Ooh. It's stiff as a board. I like it stiff. Yeah, baby. Okay. I am hungry. Oh, God, it's hot in here. It's like 5:30. No, actually 6:30. Okay. I have a little something going on in this KFC cup. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you all about it. Okay. Ooh. Come on. Oh. Come on. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get me. Ooh. I need to get. Come on. No utensils? Really? I find it hard to believe I didn't have any utensils. Anything. So, I'm back. Let's see. Everything, like I said, is washed down. Okay. So, I have a 8-piece meal, 2 sides, biscuits and gravy on the side. I added my own butter. Butter. I added my own butter. It's like butter, babe. It's like butter, babe. Ooh. Let's see. It is like butter. Let's. Put this to the side. This is, and I washed, if you know me, I washed everything thoroughly. Antibacterial soap, you name it. I got it, baby. I have a lot of coupons I get in the mail a month. So my coupons for KFC, 8-piece, I I couldn't resist that. I think it was what, $15.99, $16.99, 8-piece, 2 large size biscuits. And okay. I'm hungry. This is a new video. It's not previous recorded. I like my other videos. This is like, let me see, maybe I should take it out. It's ooh, we need a thumbnail. Remember what I said about these thumbnails? We're not getting thumbnails. Feel like I'm on a fashion shoot, but I'm not getting paid for this. I think this is it. Okay. This is our thumbnail. Should I take, let's see, I think I should take, take some chicken out. Yeah, baby. Ooh, oh, child. I know you guys saw that. I know you saw that. See? See? Girl, you don't have your shit together. You better get your shit together. You better get it together. Together. Ooh. I don't like that breast. Too big. Yeah, baby. Ooh, see? Oh, that's a big breast. That's a big breast. Okay, my color bears. This is 8-piece, 2 large size biscuits and gravy. I have coupons. So with this coupons, I think it was $15.99 for 8-piece, 2 large size, 4 biscuits, and oh, you can't beat that. Nothing like my gravy, but I asked for one with gravy and without gravy. They gave me the gravy on the side. I sanitized everything, washed it down in hot water, Use alcohol wipes. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Let's see. Set this here. Oh. This is a wing. I want to ask for just legs and thighs. Mm. Mm. Something about KFC breasts I don't like. It's so huge. Mm. Biscuit cold. And then they, ooh, the gravy is like really thin. Mm-mm. Dip it in some mashed potato and butter. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Also, some honey packs. Let me see if we still rolling. We still rolling. Rolling. Mm. We're gonna have a new setup. Something I'm working on. Mm. 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 Gravy. Biscuit and gravy. Oh. I don't know what you guys like so much about KFC gravy. Mm-mm. Now my gravy, ooh, what I had with my smothered chicken stuff. Mm. That's gravy. Mm. Mm. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat this savage style. Mmm. Mmm. I'm gonna eat this savage style. Yeah. This gravy is so thin. Mm. Mm. Oh, it's my mashed potatoes. Dip that in that. Dip it in the mashed potatoes. Do the mashed potatoes. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 How you eat it? Mm. Mm. Don't eat it all cute. Mm. 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 Okay. Mm. This gravy is so thin. Mm. Mm. Okay. I was butter, no honey, butter. Mm. 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 So delicious. This gravy is weak. For those of you who love KFC gravy, it's so weak. Mm. Mm. I'll stick with the. Mm. Let's try it with them. It's like so thin. Mm. So thin. So so thin. So thin. Mm. I added just butter to the not mac, to the mashed potatoes. Just butter. It's like butter, babe. It's like butter, babe. Mm, mm, mm. Have a sip, sip, sip. I'm going to have a sip. Mm. 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 Oh, wow. That's for grown women only. That's a adult drink. Oh, I'm gonna. Mm. It's cold. Mm. 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 Just a little chicken into gravy. Mashed potato. I don't need any honey, any butter packs. I hope you guys been staying safe. I'm like so into my food. Forgot all about it. I can't see far away. I'm gonna have to get up. No. Dip it in my mashed potato. Yeah, yeah. I hope you guys are staying in, staying safe. So much has been going on. Look at this biscuit. Solid as a rock. Yeah. This gravy was not this thin. It used to be thick. Ew, it's like water, baby. It's like water, baby. Thigh. I forgot to ask just for legs and thighs. Everything else is just so dried out.
Gave you the sweetest pleasure. Happy hour girl, took care of your needs. Happy hour girl, please you in every way. Happy hour girl, happy hour girl, gave you the sweetest pleasure.